We are unboxing the Sony Bravia X950H. So the X90, they really call this the X950H. This comes in various sizes. I have the 49-inch. It will also come in, I believe, 65, 75, 55. This comes with 4K HDR, Ultra HD. It comes with the full array LED. It is an X1 Ultimate processor. So this is the best processor from Sony. You get all your Netflix, your YouTube, but most importantly, what does it look like? What's the color? How are the blacks? Because in my opinion, I think that this Sony, this particular model, it could be different sizes. It represents one of the best values in the TV space. So here's the back of the TV. I like this finish. I like this shape. I think it just looks really clean. They give you you have the mounting parts if you want to wall mount it, very easy. We have it on legs. Power button. Additional HDMI 1, USB, video in, remote are in. So this is what your finished remote looks like. Very beautiful. It's a really, really nice remote. So it says welcome. We're using our remote. Okay, English. Quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. Yes, I can. And let's look at the interface. This is the color, guys. It has outstanding reflection handling. So most TVs that if I was to stand here with my lights this bright, it would already be glaring back at the camera. This is not. This has outstanding reflection. It also has this kind of brushed metal bezel, and I really like how that looks. The sound is also very good. The type of, so it's well suited for almost every lighting condition because of the contrast level, and it allows it to produce some deep black. So we're gonna go to our, first let's just show like some color testing. So we're gonna go to YouTube. Look at this. This TV, look at the color, and this is without any calibration. I'm gonna try to calibrate it. I'm in. That's nice. Whoop. That's some crazy stuff, guys. This color is really nice. That's why I'm a huge fan of this specific chip that Sony created, and they use it a lot in their systems. It's called the X1 color processor. You can see how vibrancy the colors are. We have set up our TV now, and we're playing this beautiful image. This is in real time. Here are your settings, and the interface is that Android TV, so I really like this Android TV interface. But if I just go to my settings, it's just like your Android tablet or Android phone. Watching TV, display and sound, your account, so display and sound. I can adjust my picture, I can adjust my screen, I can adjust my sound. I can adjust to use headphones and audio systems. But if I want to adjust the picture, you have lots of customization, including light sensor, brightness, color, and this is where you can really get into it. Advanced color temperature, multi-point and per color adjustment. That's gonna reduce any type of ballooning or any type of rings that you might be experiencing, because that's the fine-tuning and calibration that you're setting your TV with. Calibrating is so advanced that you can go up to 20 advanced points for each color. So you can see me going through them one by one here. I just fast forward. Suddenly, this is a much more vibrant picture. That's on this TV. That's pretty advanced. This is pretty advanced stuff. Thanks for watching. I just want to close that you can customize your Sony Bravia experience from the get-go with acoustic audio calibration and for your PlayStation 5. Just register it, setup is easy, and I want to thank you and catch you next time.